never done anything else. This is it. How I define myself, I usually use the term designer maker because I think that it's describing the process I'm engaged in. To me, it's creating a space with the furniture, creating a sort of stage with the furniture that is a psychological experience. That's a really important thing to me in making furniture, is making you feel a certain way. I think always my access point has been a facility with tools, with materials. I grew up with tools just piled everywhere. The part that keeps me waking up and drinking enough coffee to go out and be in these kind of really hard shop spaces and work in this hard material is kind of the challenge, the discovery and the success of each piece. Success is getting to do it again tomorrow, and that's it.